Why you will never perish, even when everything falls apart. Faith for entrepreneurs. You think your business is dying? Let me tell you, God never lets purpose perish. When everything seems lost, money, deals, opportunities, you start wondering, did I miss God's plan? But the truth is, you didn't lose. You're being repositioned. I've learned that God doesn't build faith in comfort zones. Sometimes He lets what we built fall apart, not to punish us, but to prepare us for something greater. Your business may look small now, but if you hold on in obedience, God is building your foundation, not your frustration. Many quit because they think failure means God left them. But Jesus said, "My sheep hear my voice, and they follow me." That means even in business, you can rise again. Your vision was not a mistake. Your effort was not in vain. God's promise didn't expire. It's maturing. All you have to do is stick to Him. Follow His voice in every decision you take. And that's the faith God is looking for in you. If you believe that, type "I'm still standing" in the comments and subscribe, because I'm going to show you how to walk with faith and wisdom in your business journey. Stay blessed, stay on the right path, let the Holy Spirit, who knows what's best, be the director of every step.